Hey Charles, wow. Thanks so much for inviting me to be part of your team. Wanted to connect you to my network on LinkedIn and chat with him a little bit about the great work that Neptune Media is doing with their marquee event in Oahu, Hawaii. So tell us a little bit about the background of what made you create this event and why are 100 CISOs all congregating in Hawaii October 1st through 6th?
That's a great question, Cindy. So, a little bit of background. I've been a CISO for a while, and I've been to a lot of crazy events. There's been a few things where I've realized that some of the events have fallen short, and I thought that as a CISO myself, it would be great if we had a place where we could all conjugate together and actually talk about things that mattered most to us in terms of learning something new that was very precious and very near to us in the industry that was current. So something that wasn't old or stale, something that was actually fresh, but also having an opportunity to network with our peers and then foster those relationships. But at the same token, actually really get value for our time and actually build a partnership with the vendors that we need most in our industry.
I mean, that's amazing that you're doing this and that you're actually flying in 100 CISOs for a week. Spouses are welcome, five-star event, renting out the whole Oahu resort. I think it's going to be a phenomenal time, lots of great networking and camaraderie to be had. And not to mention, you said you're doing a VC investor Shark Tank at the end of the event. Tell me what that's about.
Oh, that's a great question. Yeah, that's something that's not publicly disclosed at the moment. Yeah, I'm funny that you know about that. It's amazing. Yes, so we'll have all of the CISOs actually in Oahu at Turtle Bay Resort in Hawaii from October 1st to October 6th. So as you guys might know, October 2nd through October 4th is the cybersecurity summit where all of these cybersecurity vendors are welcome. However, October 5th and 6th, so predominantly the night of the 4th, but the 5th and the 6th is actually when we're going to be doing our Shark Tank seminars. So what that really means is a whole bunch of startups are actually going to be disseminating and actually going to Oahu. And they're actually going to also be from Oahu, so Hawaiian startups as well. They're definitely welcome. And we're actually going to be doing our own version of Shark Tanks. We've got various different venture capital funds there. We've got a lot of the other world's largest banks from different countries also attending, as well as some of the other Fortune 100 and global Fortune 100 companies that will be in attendance as institutional investors. So, without dropping any crazy names, it's going to be a who's who type of scenario or type of event.
That's great to hear. And so I hear that there's a wait list for the CISOs, but there's still opportunity for VIP executives to participate because there's availability with the sponsorship packages. So tell me how that works.
Yeah, absolutely. We've actually started our own wait list for CISOs to attend. Unfortunately, we've ran out of capacity internally. Neptune Media no longer has any slots available. However, all of the sponsors actually do have VIP passes that are hosted attendee passes and their sponsorship kits, and they're more than welcome to give them out to all of their best clients as well as their prospective clients. So
That's
in your
amazing.
pass,
So this includes airfare, hotel, meals, everything included in the sponsor packages for their VIP clients.
absolutely, it does.
That's exciting. So I don't want to keep this interview or this video too long. Just to wrap it up, we invite sponsors to inquire how to participate. I think there's just a couple slots left. And if you're dying to go, let's get on the wait list. Sometimes there are last minute cancellations, like somebody's having a baby or like in these crazy times, somebody gets sick with COVID. So we do hope that everybody registers to attend. If not for this one, we'll be doing these events every 6 months. So really excited. Thank you so much, Charles, for allowing me to be part of your team and a part of this amazing event. And it's only going to get bigger and better each time. So thanks so much for participation and the great work you're doing with the industry.
I appreciate that, Sydney. Thank you very much. Don't forget your sponsorship package also has VIP invites attached to your package. So don't forget to hand those out.
Awesome. Cheers. Thank you, LinkedIn.
Cheers.